In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Square appointments. First, let me walk you through the process, making it as simple and stress-free as possible. Whether you're moving your business to a new location or just need to update your mailing address, this guide has got you covered. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Square homepage. You're looking for the Power Your Entire Business with Square section, recognizable by its inviting layout and straightforward design. On this initial page, you'll find a variety of options, but for our current purpose, you'll want to direct your attention to the Sign In button. Clicking this will lead you to the Login page. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Be sure to use the one linked to your Square account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email address, the following step will ask you to input your password. Accuracy is key here, so take your time to ensure you've entered your password correctly before proceeding to sign in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Square dashboard. This page is the nucleus of your Square account, giving you access to all the essential tools and settings. Locate your store name, positioned at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This action will unveil a drop-down menu where you'll select Account Settings. In the Account Settings area, there's a specific section titled My Business. This is where Square aggregates all pertinent business-related settings. Upon clicking My Business, look for the Locations tab. Here, Square allows you to manage all the locations associated with your account, an indispensable feature for businesses with multiple premises. Inside the location settings, you'll see an option to Update Address. Clicking on this will navigate you to a page where you can edit the location of your choosing. Look for the Edit Location button to begin the updating process. Now you're in the right place to make your address change. Under the Business Address section, you'll have the opportunity to input your new address details. Take a moment to double check that all the information is accurate. This is crucial since your business address is often used for verification purposes and may affect where your products or mail are sent. After ensuring all the details are correct, click Save to finalize the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your business address on Square appointments. Here are a few additional tips to help you through this process. Ensure that the new address you're entering complies with any local regulations or zoning laws that pertain to your business. Consider updating your address during off-peak hours to avoid any potential disruptions in service. After updating your address, it might be a good idea to notify your clients or customers of the change. This can be done through an email blast, social media update, or even a notice on your Square site. Updating your business information doesn't need to be a chore. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your Square Appointments account reflects your current address, keeping your business operations smooth and professional. Whether you're a seasoned Square user or just getting started, it's important to keep all your business information up to date. This not only helps in improving your service delivery, but also enhances your credibility and reliability in the eyes of your customers. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it has been helpful in guiding you through the process of changing your address on Square appointments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you manage your business effortlessly with Square.